My name is Jess and my pronouns are she, her, and hers, and I live in Goodyear. I chose to live on campus because I wanted to get the full college experience, having classes, but then being able to live on campus and experience everything that's going on around me. So I'd say my favorite memory living on campus is just meeting some really great people the first few weeks being here, and then becoming my new family here at school. Northwest, where Goodyear's located, is just really far enough off of the main part of campus that you feel a little bit separated, and you can kind of go home to a place after class and feel at home. But it's also close enough to campus that it's really not that far of a walk to classes and to the student union and to all the things you need to get to. I feel that everyone should live on campus because I don't think you get the full college experience and just feeling a part of campus unless you do. You feel more a part of the community when you live on campus. My RA has helped me because she met with each of us individually and just asked us how we were doing and how we were adjusting to living on campus in college. It was just very nice to know that I had somebody to rely on.